And if there's some specific things that you'd like me to do for you, just, send me an email and I'll get those things updated for you. Otherwise, if you want to try it yourself, hey, go ahead, and don't be too concerned, because if you get into a situation, we can always recover. And I'll show you that. Go to all pages. And let's say we click on edit, which is different than edit with Divi. Okay.
Okay.
It's been a while since I've done this, so let me see. Okay, publish. Here we go. Revisions. There's 9 revisions that have been done to this page. So I can always go back to another version. So it's a way to rescue yourself.
Okay.
So, and now this doesn't make a lot of sense when you look at it because it's code. So you can take and restore the version, but you can always go back and, whatever, or compare the 2 versions, I guess. 6 days ago, what time I actually did it. So there's different things that you can do.
Okay.
But anyhow, that's sort of like at the last ditch type thing. If you really made a mistake, or the other thing would be to go to your settings and Updraft Plus. And then do a restore from one of the backup sets. Now you can see this is a full backup set.
Okay.
Database, plugins, themes, uploads, and others.
So when do I delete the other ones?
Well, I mean,
leave them in
since we
there
do
for
have a
like a
full
week.
backup, we really don't need these 2. So we
Okay.
can delete these 2. And I hit delete, and it says, do you really want to remove these? Now, one of the other options when I get this set up with the backup to the Google Drive, and it's your Google Drive and not mine or anybody else's, it'll actually say you also want to delete them from your backup set. And you'd say, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Remote files really is what it says. There's no remote files because it wasn't being saved on a remote basis. So let me take and I want to close this down because I want to get over to